Launching a successful Google Ads campaign as a small business starts with setting clear objectives and understanding your target audience. Define what you want to achieve, whether it's driving website traffic, increasing sales, or generating leads. Research your ideal customers and use Google's keyword planner to identify relevant keywords that match their search intent. Next, focus on creating compelling ad copy and choosing the right ad formats. Write concise headlines and descriptions that highlight your unique value proposition and use high-quality images or videos if applicable. Set a realistic budget that aligns with your goals and start with a small daily spend to test what works best. Monitor your campaign performance regularly, analyzing metrics such as click-through rates and conversions, and make adjustments to optimize your ads for better results. In summary, a strategic approach to Google Ads involves careful planning, targeted messaging, and ongoing optimization. By following these steps, small businesses can maximize their return on investment and effectively reach new customers online.